Hello everyone, welcome back again. There are some guys talking about the tools we need for this hobby. Okay, this is from Donau. Donau, I'm sorry if I'm telling wrong. Okay, this is a German factory. Okay, they have this great set. Okay, on this we got a side cutter for plastic, mini flat file, an aluminium knife with 5 spare blades, okay, and a self-cutting mat. Okay, as you can see, my mat, it's always dirt and with the big marks from cutting. And this set, it's awesome for you start your model. So on this video I can tell you this is the fundamentals we are going to need for work with plastic kits. Okay, and I'm going to open and I'm going to show you how this is on inside. So we bring this, and guys, see, this is a cutting mat. Okay, so awesome. You can see it's very thick, and it's good if you have a sprue to cut something. You don't make marks on your own. Okay, I got this, it's too, but with this you can go everywhere the sprue, okay, and just cut with a hobby knife if you need, okay, or other things. Okay, so the cutting mat, very small but very handy. Okay, now let's go and remove this. Oops, as you can see, the cutter, okay, it's with a spring, okay, and it has an angle, okay, so it's awesome to cut little things, guys. Okay, you got one file, okay, for sanding. Okay, one side it's more thick and the other more thin. Okay, so it's the grade, it's different, so it's very good. The handle, it's nice. Okay, it's all iron but it's nice, and on the sides too you got these very small, so you can go to little things. Okay, so one file and this very nice hobby knife cutter. Okay, you got here just one new blade, and they send you more 4, okay, inside this. Okay, this you can buy on your store. Okay, and no problems. You see, I am talking this I buy on hobby kit. Okay, if you are a Portuguese guys, you can always go on hobby kit and buy this set, and believe this set, it is with a fantastic price, guys. Okay, so this is the fundamentals you need to start working, okay, with cutting from the sprue, with this or this, okay, and the file and a little cutting. Okay, it's not too big, you can go with this for everywhere. Okay, so guys, this is another video of a review of this, and a good thing you guys to know how what you must use at the beginning. Okay, and then if you like the hobby, I tell you buy more things. Okay, more other style of cutting, more files. Okay, round, there are lots and lots of shapes, and this is, you must have 2 or 3. It's good because if you want a clean cut, if you want just to scrape, okay, so this is very nice. So guys, one more review. I hope you guys enjoy it, and anything you guys know, just ask below. Okay, so bye guys, and thank you very much for watching.